Hello, welcome back to IANCZ Max. Today's challenging Olympiad problem. So the question is solve x belongs to R cube root of 7x plus 1 minus cube root of x square minus x minus 8 plus cube root of x square minus 8x minus 1 is equal to 2. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem? So here cubes are given. So here cubing on both sides, if you do means it is very difficult to complete the problem. So here we are going for substitution. Substitution and we will complete the problem. So here what you have to make it first of all let cube root of 7x plus 1 is equal to a. The second one cube root of x square minus x minus 8 is equal to minus b. So here minus is given, so we are taking minus b. And the third one cube root of x square minus 8x minus 1 is equal to c. Now from this we'll get a plus b plus c is equal to 2. A plus b plus c is equal to 2. So if you do cubing, the original equation will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 2 cube. Cubing on both sides. So if you are taking the cube here, a cube, here cubing on both sides, b cube, here cubing on both sides, c cube is equal to 2 cube. So here what will get now? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So this value is also 8, this value is also 8. Now from this you can do the calculation. So here what will get, this value will be 3 of a plus b into b plus c into c plus a is equal to 0. A plus b into b plus c into c plus a equal to 0. From this you will get a is equal to minus b, or you can get b is equal to minus c, or you can get c is equal to minus a. Now substitute the values of a and b. So here what is a? Cube root of 7x plus 1 is equal to cube root of x square minus x minus 8. First you will solve this. So here what will get, 7x plus 1 is equal to x square minus x minus 8. Send all the terms to one side, we will get x square minus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. Here you will get the factors x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 9 equal to 0. From this you will get x equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 9. So this is the first one. Now if you go to the second one, b is equal to c. So b value here minus is there. So cube root of x square minus x minus 8 is equal to cube root of minus minus get cancel x square minus 8x minus 1. Now here if you solve this x square minus x minus 8 equal to x square minus 8x minus 1, x square get cancel. Here you'll get 7x equal to 7, x is equal to 1. Now if you take third one, c is equal to minus a, c equal to minus a means here what is c value? Cube root of x square minus 8x minus 1 will be minus cube root of 7x plus 1. Now if you remove here cubes on both sides, so x square minus 8x minus 1 is equal to minus 7x plus 1. So here you'll get x square minus 8x minus 1 plus 7x plus 1 equal to 0. So here 1 get cancelled. So here x square minus x equal to 0. So if you take x common, x into x minus 1 equal to 0. So here you are getting x equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Therefore, you are getting the values of x 0, minus 1, 1, 9. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.